In this video, we break down the top 5 best tennis bags you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best tennis bags on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best tennis bags are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Athletico 6 Racquet Tennis Bag. One of the standout features of the Athletico 6 Racquet Tennis Bag is its generous storage capacity. The main compartment can hold up to 6 full-size tennis rackets, making it perfect for players who carry multiple rackets for different playing conditions. Even if you don't fill it with 6 rackets, there's plenty of room for extra gear like tennis balls, clothing, and accessories. The bag's wide-opening zipper allows for easy access, so you won't struggle to grab your racket in the middle of a match or practice session. Additionally, the padded interior lining ensures that your rackets remain well protected from impact, minimizing wear and tear. Athletico is known for making high-quality sports gear, and this bag is no exception. Made from heavy-duty polyester fabric, it's built to withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The material is scratch-resistant and water-resistant, providing excellent protection against light rain, dirt, and accidental spills. For players who frequently play outdoors, this durable and weather-resistant design ensures that your gear remains safe and dry no matter the conditions. Our second best tennis bags is Wilson Advantage Tennis Bag. If you're looking for a no-fuss, well-made tennis bag that provides great protection for your rackets, the Wilson Advantage Tennis Bag is a smart investment. Wilson is known for its high-quality sports equipment, and this bag lives up to the brand's reputation. Made with durable polyester fabric, the Wilson Advantage Tennis Bag can withstand the rigors of frequent use. Sturdy zippers. The high-quality zippers glide smoothly and don't get stuck, ensuring easy access to your gear. Water-resistant material. The fabric offers some resistance to light rain and moisture, protecting your equipment from unexpected weather conditions. Sleek minimalist. Look, available in multiple colors, including classic black, red, and blue. This bag has a modern professional design that appeals to men, women, and youth players alike. The Wilson logo is subtle yet stylish, making it a great choice for those who want a clean, sporty aesthetic. One of the highlights of the Wilson Advantage Tennis Bag series is its well-thought-out storage capacity. Available in both 2-racket and 3-racket versions, the bag caters to players who prefer a lightweight option without sacrificing protection for their gear. Main compartment. The bag can comfortably hold 2 or 3 tennis rackets, depending on the model you choose. Number 3 in our list is Headcore 3 R Pro Tennis Racket Bag. If you're looking for a simple, well-designed, and affordable bag, this one ticks all the right boxes. Beginner and recreational players. If you're a casual player who brings only 1 to 3 rackets and some small accessories, this bag provides just the right amount of space. Players who prefer a compact and lightweight bag, unlike larger tournament bags, this one is easy to carry and doesn't take up too much space in storage. Tennis enthusiasts on a budget. If you're looking for a high-quality, affordable tennis bag from a trusted brand, the Headcore 3R Pro offers great value for the price. Main compartment. This bag comfortably fits up to 3 tennis rackets, keeping them secure and protected. The padded interior adds an extra layer of safety against bumps and impacts. Additional pocket for accessories. There is a small zippered pocket for keeping smaller essentials like grips, keys, a phone, or tennis balls. Though it's not the most spacious, it's great for keeping important items easily accessible. Fourth recommendation in our side is Himal 3 Racquet Tennis Bag. If you're looking for a durable, spacious, and budget-friendly tennis bag, the Himal 3 Racquet Tennis Bag is a solid choice. Whether you're a casual player or a frequent competitor, this bag offers great functionality while keeping your gear protected. Spacious design easily fits up to 3 rackets without feeling too bulky. There's also room for a can of balls, a towel, or a water bottle. Protective padding. The built-in padding ensures your racket stays safe from accidental bumps and scratches, a feature not always found in bags at this price point. Comfortable and lightweight. The adjustable shoulder strap and lightweight build make carrying it effortless, even when fully loaded. Durable material, made of high-quality polyester, this bag holds up well to frequent use, whether you're heading to the court daily or just on weekends. Unisex and stylish. With a sleek and modern design, it's a great option for both men and women, perfect for players of all ages. The Himal 3 Racquet Tennis Bag is a fantastic option for players who need a compact, protective, and stylish bag for their rackets. It's lightweight, comfortable to carry, and offers excellent value for the price. While it may not have extensive storage for extra gear, it's a perfect choice for recreational players and sports enthusiasts of all ages, constructed of durable 600D polyester fabric that is meant to last. Last in our top 5 best tennis bags list is Ytonet Tennis Bag. If you're in the market for a versatile, compact, and stylish tennis bag that balances functionality with convenience, the Ytonet Tennis Sling Backpack is an excellent choice. Whether you're a tennis, pickleball, or badminton player, this bag is designed to keep your gear secure, organized, and easy to carry. Made from high-quality, water-resistant polyester, this bag provides excellent durability and protection against unexpected rain showers, keeping your rackets and gear dry. The stitching and zippers are sturdy, ensuring long-lasting performance even with frequent use. Small accessory pocket. A smaller front zip pocket is perfect for storing your phone, wallet, keys, or sunglasses. Extra pockets. There are multiple zippered pockets for organizing essentials like tennis balls, grips, wristbands, or even a small towel. Water bottle holder. A convenient side mesh pocket holds a water bottle securely, so you stay hydrated during matches or practice. Main compartment. The primary compartment can securely hold up to 2 standard-sized tennis rackets or multiple pickleball or badminton paddles. The elastic strap inside helps keep your rackets in place, preventing them from shifting while you move. This bag isn't just for tennis, it's also ideal for pickleball and badminton players. The design accommodates different types of rackets, making it a fantastic all-in-one solution for multi-sport enthusiasts. Additionally, the bag is lightweight, which is a plus for players who prefer not to lug around a bulky tennis bag.